Thank you very much. It's your friend and brother again, Young ID TV. I really appreciate you all for tuning to this channel, for always checking this channel, and for always leaving a comment at the comment section. I really appreciate you a billionfold. Thank you very much. Today we are discussing, or today I have a very big businessman in the house, a Nigerian based in Belgium, but also does his business back home in Nigeria. I have no other person, the chairman, CEO, Charles and Brooks Limited. He's here with me today in the studio to enlighten us about his business and to tell us more about his business, and for him also to talk about the more important is the investor side. So we have you here today, bro. Thank you very much. I'm very happy. Thank you very much for your time. I know you are very, very busy man. It took me a couple of months to get him here because I believe that a lot of Nigeria needs to hear this, and I believe that it is worth it. So I have to try as much as possible to book an appointment with him. Thank you very much once more. I'm very, very happy. Thank you. That is the CEO, Charles and Brooks Limited, a businessman here in Belgium. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. Please, can you introduce yourself?
I am Mr. Charles Uwoni. I'm the CEO of Charles and Brooks Limited. Official head office is in Edo State, Benin City, kilometer 10, Sapele Road, not far from First Aubert. And I started my business 2014. So I've grown into the business. I had to study a lot to be able to know about what I want to go into. So I had my idea of actually creating employment in Nigeria. That was my first initial goal.
That is great.
So that is what I actually thought of, because I was really touched because of the way things are way back on our people. So I thought of how can I help, because that is one thing I always talk to other Nigerians in the diaspora. So we have to go back and try to help, because one or two ways in which you can make the country grow is by coming back and trying to create something of employment for the people. So that was my initial goal. So I had to study it. I had to, because I hate to fail. I never love failing. So I had to. Basically, we also accept investors who wants to invest in this department. So if you cannot invest, for example, transportation, we urge our investors or customers to bring in your vehicle. There's some people who will buy their vehicle, but they don't have trust in people to use their vehicle to be able to pay. So we bring in your vehicle to us, and then we negotiate a very befitting price between we, the company, and you on how much we can be paying you every month. Then, or you bring in your trucks, and we negotiate a befitting negotiation, or either you bring in your trucks and we pay you, and you say you want to sell your trucks to the company, or you want your trucks to work for us. So in that sense, working for us is perfect. As we make money, you make money. So there's a percentage in which the company takes for taking care of your truck, and then whereby your truck works its money. So those it's very elaborate, it's very much. So you come in and we discuss more, and then we tell you the way you can profit in this aspect. But we accept vehicles. We accept vehicles from investors. We accept their vehicles. They work the way it should be, because some people don't have trust in giving their vehicles to drivers. Yeah. But you give your vehicles to a company, and company will use your vehicle the way you wish it to be used, because it depends always on you. And then we will pay you the money, and then from there we take a little bit of percentage for company services. And also we have logistics. The same way in the logistics, you also have to bring in your bikes, bring in your cabs, your cars to us, and then we will be able to use your cars and then pay you the same thing on percentage basis. You can also invest cash with us. the least you can invest with us is 200,000, to be honest. So then you invest 200,000. For example, in any amount you invest in the company, minimum of 200,000 for the cash investment. That's in 6 months you have a profit of 30%. Or 1 year, you have a profit of 70%. We don't do more than that. We pay you 6 months or 1 year. If you want to continue investing, so your investment finishes, then you can reinvest your money. But the least we do is 6 months, and the highest we do is 12 months.
The money that the people have invested, if they feel like, okay, I'm no longer investing anymore, I want to take back my money, the money that the person invested, is it safe, or you guys will now reduce it because you've invested in 6 months, and now you are ending the contract, you invested 500,000, now you are not getting 300,000, or the person will get is 500,000 or 1 million back, just the exact money placed in investing?
Good question. Your money you invested is being used for the business. Automatically, if someone investing 500,000, you take in 500,000, you invest in a company, and then every month, normally your money, let's say 200,000, you invested, let's say you invested 200,000, and your profit is 75,000, for example, in 6 months. Let's say your profit is 75,000, total 275,000 you're supposed to have in 6 months. We have started paying you monthly, because you might choose to say, I want to get my money monthly. We started paying you monthly. We are paying you monthly, and then you decide at the 3rd month to say, I'm breaking off. Definitely, for break of contract, there must be a penalty. Even if we break a contract, there is a penalty. That's why your lawyer have to be there, my lawyer have to be there when we are signing a paper. Then we sign the documents, and there's a penalty for anyone who breaks the contract or who is not willing to follow the contract to the letter in which it's stated. You won't lose your money, but only what you lose is the profit which you are supposed to get.
Okay.
So the money you received, let's say you invested 200,000, you're supposed to have 75,000. So your profit is supposed to be paid to you at the end of the contract, which is 75,000. Let's say you have already started paying you 25,000. So we calculate your total money you have brought in, you balance it up, and you lose some percentage of the profit. That is it. You have invested, it's 3 months, your money have worked 3 months, must have made something.
Yeah. So
definitely you cannot lose all your profits, so you get something, definitely.
Okay. So you have heard that from the CEO, Charles and Brooks Limited. Believe me, he's a very, very genuine guy. He's a very, very genuine man. He's a very, very honest and truthful businessman. So do you need more investors? Because I know you already have investors.
Yes.
Who want to invest into your company?
Yes, definitely. Like when I came back 2017, and then I started up again. I had the main core for every business to succeed. It's finance. It's not just it's finance, but finance in a structured form. Because you can have 50 billion, and at the end you can profit not up to 1 million.
Yeah.
So, but in a structure where your finance is being used properly. So I got to create a good structure. Then it attracted investors, foreign investors, who invested in the company, and then voila, that is how I started. So I need investors, because without investors, my goal, I have a goal. I always aim high. So the goal of the company will be achieved. So you bringing your money to us is not only helping us, but helping you, because as we profit, you profit. It's always a give and take relationship. So I always encourage people, the best way to grow your money is investing. Whether it's in any form of investment, but choose an investment whereby you feel comfortable that your money is safe. And I believe that you coming to us, your money is always safe because you grow as we grow.
Yeah. Okay. What are the proper documentation to be done in case people want to invest in your business?
Okay, that's very good. Thank you very much for that question. Because for every transaction that is being made, it's an official company. It's a company registered with the CAC. It's a company who pays its tax. It's a company who because as a company owner or of any kind, whether you are selling hair, whether you are selling fruit juice, but you are registered, you have to be fully covered because the government also protects you. So, but you have to also be responsible to also pay your dues. So, let's say you are coming to present your investments with the company. Oh, I have 5 naira or I have 10 naira. As little as it is, there's a documentation because you have to bring your lawyer, we have to bring our lawyer. There must be a document signed by us and you, and then both lawyers have to be accord with it, have to be concord with the decision that both parties have made before any transaction can take place.
Okay. So what are the confidence do you want people want to come and invest in you? What are the confidence you want them to place upon your company that your company is not going to defraud them, or when that money is being invested in them, invested in your company, you are not going to take the money away, or when they invest in your company, the project is not going to be completed? Because a lot of people right now have the issue of trust because they are afraid to they have given their family member to help them do this project, and yet for over how many years the project is still yet to be completed. So what are the trust do you want the people to give you right now?
Okay, good question. Because like the previous question, you asked about documentation. I told you about documentation. For a business to be able to be solidified, there must be a little bit of trust. You don't have to trust the people, but trust the business idea. So it's not who is bringing it to you that matters, but the business idea. As long as our business idea is structured, and you see, you have to also verify the source. Also, for example, it's good. For example, somebody is bringing business to you. You have to verify the source of the business. So where is the business located? Where are you? Where is your office located? Okay, is this business registered? Because if you go to Google right now and type in Charles & Brooks Limited, my address is there. Information about the company is there. So you cannot, for example, now and say you have to research. And for you bringing your 5 naira into the company is helping the company. And before that money is going to come into the company, your lawyer and our lawyer must be able to sit down and be able to agree with what you are bringing and what the company is offering that is sufficient for both parties to work together. It's always going to go around the law, so that if there's any fault from any party, we are guided and we are protected. Okay. And that is very, very important for us in Charles & Brooks Limited.
I want to ask you this question. What is your advice for Nigerians living in Europe who are afraid to invest in Nigeria or invest in young business mogul like you?
Okay, the thing is, I'm going to say not only Nigerians but Africa in general and the diaspora. Home is home, home is home. No matter how the situation is, everything is always scary. I can believe that anybody who came to Europe the first time, I am very certain that 70% of every African who came from Africa to Europe were disappointed with what they imagined Europe was like. I was disappointed. I believe you also was disappointed, because if you always thought that money was picked from the street, but money is never picked on the street. It's the same thing as home. Our home is home. We left there with insecurity. But I don't think between me and you, that you, the viewers who are watching, you complain of the insecurity in the country. I believe that there's a progress, but we always we always think of that the country is not growing to where it's supposed to be, but it's not the same, and we are always reliable.
Okay, so in few years from now, how do you see Chucks and Brooks Limited? What does the future hold for your company?
You know, I always smile because you're not the first person who asks me this question. You know, when they always ask me that, they always say, I always smile because it's a thing of joy to see yourself in the extreme height. Because I work seriously hard. So for every dime I have, I work hard for it. I enjoy it. I enjoy the pressure that the business gives to me because I strive in that pressure. Because I strive in pressure. So everybody will say, every African or European or anybody who knows Africa, we always say, I want to be like Dangote. You know,
very busy. So thank you guys. I really appreciate you for your time and effort spending it here with us today. Thank you very much. It's good we invest at the right time. When you are old, you just reap the fruit of your labor. Is that the right time of investment?
Yes,
I don't know. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Till I come your way again next Wednesday, I remain your host, Young ID TV. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.